That is how to take a singer's proper diaphragmatic breath. Now I'm going to give you a little bit of a secret here as well too. You generally only have time to take a singer's proper diaphragmatic breath at the start of a verse, pre-chorus or chorus, or when you have time. Because we haven't got time to take a proper diaphragmatic breath in front of every line. You can't go, when I was younger, so much younger than today. You can't do that, okay? So the rest of the time we'll just be topping up through the bronchi tube. That's a 6-inch tube that takes air into your lungs. And this is always staying full until you get time to take a breath, okay? Questions regarding breathing? Wow, I must be okay. Fantastic. All right, guys, you can take a bit of a seat.
Two questions.
Oh, question. Yes.
Sorry to get you. Does that mean that your stomach is out all the time during most of the time?
It's supporting. Your stomach should be supporting notes all the time, yes. A rule with singing, guys, write this down, okay, or remember it. A rule with singing is less down low, more up top, okay? So when I'm singing down lower and quieter, less support, less mouth placement, less volume. When I'm singing up higher, more support, more volume. That's the technique to do with that. Does that answer that question?
Does that correlate with the stomach coming out? Does that mean that you're spending a lot of time with your tummy like a fat person?
Well, it should always be supported. So whenever you're singing, you should always have air in your lungs. So you should be feeling comfortable. And I know you guys have been singing, you nearly run out of air, and even though you sung well to the end of the line, you felt insecure because you were nearly running out of air. So you've always got to have, this has always got to be full all the time. So I'll give you an example here. So if I'll take a proper diaphragmatic breath, I'll put my hand on my diaphragm when I'm singing through a proper diaphragmatic breath, and when I'm topping up what I've just used in that phrase, I'm going to do this. So I'll do it to the same song. When I was younger, so much younger than today, I never needed anybody's help in any way. And now these days are gone and I'm not so self-assured. Now I find I've changed my mind, I've opened up the doors. Help me if you can, I'm feeling down. On and on to the end of the song. Does that make sense? Fantastic, yes. Sorry, does that answer that question?
Beautifully, thank you.